Hi everyone, welcome back to the Geterbrewed channel. So there's a wealth of different options for capping solutions. You're a home brewer, you want to cap a bottle of beer, you've had a look on the website and you've seen we've various options. So on the right hand side here, I've got what would be known as hand cappers, and on the left hand side, tabletop cappers. So very briefly, we have three options that all sell well. Brewfirm Captain Capper. Brewfirm's a Brouwland brand. We distribute for them, Belgian-based company. You can see good quality, comes with a guarantee. That's the Brewfirm version. Ferrari, Italian brand. Again, good quality capper. A little bit heavier than Captain. Seems to be a lot more movement in it. Good quality capper. And then this is the capper that we put into all of our starter kits. So it's the Vic capper, manufactured in Italy again. So three different manufacturers, Brewfirm brand, Enilandia and Ferrari. They're all good quality. I guess it's more, you know, where your budget's at, what you want to do in relation to, you know, if you're buying a starter kit, the Vic one's great. It has the little spacers in it that allows you to change from 26 to 29. Tabletop cappers. High capper, it has this little trigger here, so you can see that the handle's held in nice and snugly whenever it's set in this setting. So pull the trigger from this side, that'll move up and down, allows you to get the handle out. You can see it's very easy to set the height to suit the different types of bottle. Literally bottle in here and then pulling the lever to cap. Now we have a budget option that we've sourced directly ourselves. This works with this little pull out pin here. Now these come in multiple colors. Pull the pin out and it adjusts and the little pin pops into the hole. So again, you can set it the level that suits you. Comes with a different size capping valve. You want to change it from one cap size to another. Very simple to use, hand lever. It's got pre-drilled holes in it here if you want to screw it onto the tabletop. Now, these are excellent value. We've brought them in as our budget option to allow folk just to have a tabletop capper at home. So I'll just pop that back down again. Dock Revolution capper. Idea with this is that it allows you to have ultimate stability. And the idea with it is that it's perfectly balanced. That's why it has the extra platform. So you put your bottle on here, place your cap in there, and then just pull down. You can see that there's very little movement in the tabletop capper. It's a lot heavier than these. It's much more robust. Obviously brass fitting instead of the steel. And again, you're getting all the different types of fittings to allow you to adjust and change. So look, when it comes to hand cappers, generally it's what brand is your favorite, and a lot of people like brands. When it comes to tabletop, this is very much a budget version. These come in different colors. It's then down to what sort of finish you want. This is slightly nicer. It's got like a matte painted powder coat finish. It's got that little bit of an easier trigger control, whereas this would be, you know, maybe just a little bit more footery, but like I'm really looking for differences here. And then the Dock Revolution is for someone that wants something really strong, really robust, something that's going to stand the test of time and bottle many, many tens of thousands of bottles. Why would you buy a hand capper over a tabletop capper or vice versa? My advice would be that a tabletop capper is more stable, it's easier to use. Generally, I feel that they would last longer as well. You know, if these are used correctly, so if you'll see me capping in other videos, so literally if you're using your thumbs nice and straight, and as you put that onto the top of the bottle and you apply equal pressure in a nice smooth movement, that will cap properly. And it's just It's probably down to having a little bit of extra speed with these systems as well. Tabletop's going to be that little bit faster than what a hand capper is as well. So stability when capping with these is slightly better, speed is slightly better, but look, it's down to your personal preference. Maybe you don't want something as big as this and you only have room for something as small as a hand capper. That's the Geterbrewed options. If you need any further information, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, happy brewing.